Hey guys, how you doing? So after the junkyard, I'm going to install the trim, and we're gonna have a little follow-up after the video to see how much different everything looks. One part of the video that you aren't going to see is me do the install on some of the front pieces. Mainly because on one of our other videos where I did the install on the boost gauge, I already showed how to take off the dash. So if you like, there's gonna be a link down in the description sending you over to that video. And then I also was able to grab a black glove box from a third party. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm putting in these doors. See, I got the one over there done already. Looks all nice and clean compared to the rest of it. Yucky. And, so you got T2025 torch down at the bottom of the doors. One on this side, one on this side. And then I'm currently taking out the Phillips heads once you pry off the outer portion of the door handle. Okay. Wow. I already loosened up this one on top. Wow. And now, pull, lift. Alright. So, next part, you got the, make sure you see what I'm seeing. Alright. For your door switch, and just reach behind, pinch them down, yank them out. One. And two. Oh. Uno, dos. Of course, one always has to be a pain. Alright. I'm gonna have to coax this bad boy off. If I can find my coaxing tool. Alright. Got a little pickup in here. There you go. Make sure these little wingtips are up. And then behind here, you got the cord for the door lock, for the door handle, sorry. Pull back, lift, and it releases the door panel. And then you just do everything in reverse. Have fun wrenching. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have it. We have our rear driver's side door paneling. We also have the rear passenger side door paneling, as well as the black glove box. We have the lower driver's side dash installed, as well as our new steering column. And the one thing I did do with the new steering column cover was I changed the way it was mounted. Instead of drilling through it, I made it more of a temporary situation with some 3M multi-grip tape. So, you know, if somebody else doesn't want it, or you want to remove it and do gauge pods instead somewhere up on the A-pillar, we can go ahead and do that at a later time. Or, you know, if I wind up selling the car and, you know, someone doesn't necessarily like it there, it's an easy removal with a little bit of cleanup. It's nothing permanent that's going to damage any of the components and force them to do what I had to do. But now the next thing is just going to be getting the passenger and driver's side doors done, so that we get a nice clean black look, with the exception of the carpeting on the floor. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm not all about stripping down the entire car. Seats are also going to be in the future. Not sure when I'll get to that. But as far as paneling, the last thing to go along with the doors is going to have to be the front shifter console and then the rear center console. Probably going to change the glove box out to all black too, just to get that a nice smooth look. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed following me through my adventure in the junkyard. If you guys need to know anything, like, comment, subscribe on the video. We're going to put a link for the junkyard that I went to down in the description as well. And as always, Wrench Daily.